human needs are not merely material. We must feed our bodies, of course. We must think about what will give us a good job. But our souls must also be fed. And it is dignity that feeds our souls. Preservation is an act of love. It is an act of value. It is an act of dignity. And so to anyone who says, Ejibwe, not only are you lacking in intelligence, sorry, but this is true, you must also remember that we must feed our souls with dignity. We must focus now on the large fire that is burning up Igbo land. Ndi Igbo, kanyi Tetenu la. Let us wake up. Ife me biguna ani Igbo. As Igbo people, we often speak of political marginalization. We must first clean house. Part of that house cleaning must involve a concerted return to unity.